Hello. This short video is devoted to our new free tool, Online Table Diff. We're going to make our demo using SQL Server Management Studio, but all this is relevant for many other database management systems and their clients that allow you to copy or export query results, such as dbeaver, pgadmin, and many others. You can compare results from the same database from different databases located on different servers, or even hosted by different database management systems. Here, we have some test data. We create a table called Person1 with 10 rows, then make another copy called Person2 with some modifications. And now, we imagine that we don't know what these changes are, and we just want to compare these two query results. We open ksdbmerge.tools, go to Other Tools, and then Table Diff. Go back to Management Studio. Copy and paste into our diff tool, and then do the same for the second table. And here it is. We can see that the highlighted changes exactly correspond to the changes we made. We can see that person ID is marked as a key, and this allows us to properly match rows between these two tables. The tool always tries to use the first column as a key because it is the most commonly used pattern for database tables. In addition, the tool provides total counts of new and changed rows, and we can apply filters to show only the new or changed rows. Now, let's consider another example. Here, the first column is a year, and obviously, it cannot be used as a key because of duplicate values. But we see that this table contains some quarterly data, and the key should be a combination of year and quarter. The second table contains only rows for 2021, and one value is changed. Let's try to compare these tables in our tool. And we see the no keys warning, and the year does not match. Let's fix this. Open column mapping configuration, and at first, let's try to mark a year as a key, and we see the warning with the first duplicate value, so we mark both year and quarter, and here is our result. You may have fair concerns regarding privacy because we don't want our database data to go to the web. And the good news is that your data stays in your browser. The diff logic is located on the server, but it does not accept your data, it just works with some numbers instead. We can open the documentation, and there is an example. If we compare John Doe versus John Smith, then instead of John, Doe, and Smith, the server receives only the numbers 0, 1, and 2. So again, your data stays in your browser. You can check the rest of this documentation to get more information about the application's other features and limitations. Thank you for watching.